This is Kendra speaking. This house is definitely breathtaking. It's a fully customized minimalist modern house situated high up the Hollywood Hill. We are Somsi Company and today we're gonna take you on a tour to this amazing house in Los Angeles, California. So let's take a look. This incredible house is approximately 12,500 square feet. This house was built in 2020, which is a brand new construction. It features 6 luxurious bedrooms and 9 bathrooms. This house will give you ultimate privacy in the hill while providing easy access to the city below. The owner of the house listed this house for $32 million and is located just minutes away from Sunset Plaza. At the entry, you will see 2 lovely olive trees, which is really nice because it gives you natural vibe. When you enter the house, you will see this massive living room. It's minimalism, but it also has a warm atmosphere from the wood paneling, which covers the entire of the wall up to the ceiling, which is 30 feet high. It's large but cozy at the same time. This project is all about making the most with the least. The architects tend to use simple elements like timeless wood, concrete, and stone.
Now, Kampi Jamnium speaking. Another amazing thing about this house is this floor-to-ceiling window can swivel by little touch of your hand, which open up the space, giving you the indoor-outdoor living. You can get out natural light and the breeze that come in is lead you to this backyard patio area which features an infinity pool. Right here, you can see the Sunset Plaza with beautiful ocean views. From this outdoor space here, you can really see the unique shape of this house itself. This home takes the shape of 3 parallel gable volumes with stairs between them. This is not something that you don't see in the Los Angeles. We have the home theater. Also, you can fit 12 people comfortably. You will get the same vibe just like going to the movie theater. It just happens to be in your home too. We also have fitness center, and we have shower next to the fitness room, leaving the fitness area to the main hallway. And there is your beautiful kitchen. In the center of your kitchen, you have the oversized island. Behind the island, you have an open shell minimalistic style. Next to the kitchen area under the staircase, you will see the temperature control wine cellar.
Hi, this is Nishapa speaking. There is so many things in this floor that I haven't showed you, but we don't have enough time for that. Okay, now let's head upstairs. Over top of this stairwell, you have a skylight letting in tons of natural sunlight as you make your way up to the second floor. First thing you see is this cozy lounge area, which is perfect for reading and just relaxing. From this lounge, you get an overlook at your formal living area, which is really cool. You have an office zone. As you can see, it has an amazing view because of this floor-to-ceiling window. There is 3 guest bedrooms here. Inside the room, there are small fridge, walk-in closet, and bathroom in every room, so you get an ultimate privacy. And here is the picture of one of the master bathroom. And the first thing that you notice here is this beautiful marble all over the place. Behind the sink, you have this marble shower room. It's luxury for sure. And if this massive shower room isn't enough, this bathroom also has an oversized tub with a huge window. It gives you the perfect view and time for sure.
Hello, Shanya speaking. Now, this is a master bedroom. It features in 14-foot high ceiling. This room is huge but also cozy. They have elements in here that brings it warmth. It also has a little bar area that has coffee maker and little fridge for you. Now, look at the window. You will see the backyard and the infinity pool area view. So, you can see that every bedroom has a suite bathroom and its own private balcony. It's really amazing. If you do purchase this home, you are the owner of one-of-a-kind handcraft piece of art. Just think about it. If you are interested, feel free to come and take a look at the actual house. Here's the address: 1471 Forest Knoll Drive, Sunset Strip, Los Angeles, USA. And if you have any questions and would like more information, please contact Somsi Company Thailand. Before buying a house, you should look if there is any foundational damage. You don't want a newly bought house with a hole in the ceiling. Make sure the electrical system is up to par, and most importantly, use a trusted realtor. You don't want to be robbed $32 million.